Hello, Professor Green. This is Jacob Liederman again, and also hello to if anyone watches this video to make a comment, get some credit. This is the connective tissue portion, so let's just get right into it. The first one here is areolar connective tissue, and you can kind of see that it's web-like in appearance. The protein fibers that are going through it just kind of are scattered along here, and there seems to be a lot of extracellular matrix here. So these here are the cells. They have a lot of different cells in this kind of connective tissue. It is a loose arrangement, so it's not, so it's loose. This kind of connective tissue can be found in between muscle fibers. It also surrounds blood and lymph vessels, and it also supports organs in the abdominal cavity. A lot of these loose tissues, the areolar and then next the adipose, do a lot of cushioning and protecting of other cells and organs, and they also provide space and for other cells to basically communicate with one another, as long as pass along any sort of nutrients. So the next loose one is going to be called adipose connective tissue. This one is usually a little bit more tightly packed, but I wanted to show a little bit of the fiber in there. So really these are like pretty densely packed. There's not as much, but I just wanted to show that there is protein fiber that surround each of these fatty cells. That's another name for adipose. So there's almost no extracellular matrix when you're looking at adipose connective tissue. And these can be found protecting the kidneys and cushioning the back of the eye. Moving down here to dense irregular connective tissue. You could see this one, the collagen is packed very, very tight. The fibers are packed really, really tight and going in a bunch of different directions. As you can see, this arrangement allows for whatever tissue it's in to be strong on a bunch of different levels, and a bunch of different ways, not so tightly and then not so strong in one direction. So the dermis of the skin is where you can find some of this dense irregular tissue, and so when you're looking at it, it's going to be a lot of extracellular matrix here, and these can either be collagen fibers or elastin, and with little cells kind of scattered throughout. Okay, and then lastly we have the dense regular connective tissue. This is like its cousin over here, the irregular one. It's got a lot of protein fibers that are just going along here, but you can see this one, instead of going in different directions, it's going to go all parallel, so they're going to be all going the same direction, either left or right, with cells scattered throughout. So again, with this one, there's still a lot of extracellular matrix between the cells, and this kind of connective tissue can be found in ligaments and tendons. All right, so that's going to be it for the connective tissue. All right, thanks guys.